Hi, I'm Morgan Young, and I'll be talking about sustainable architecture. Over the past few years, the Mother Nature Network and Time magazine have selected a variety of examples of sustainable architecture and green design solutions that protect and enhance the environment. I'll be showing the best of these buildings today. They prove not only to be the most environmentally friendly, but also the most innovative. Designed by RNL Design, the Research Support Facility at the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, also known as NREL, located in Golden, Colorado, is one of the greenest structures in the U.S. to date, and was listed as the 9th most environmental building in 2011 by Time magazine. The energy goal for the building is 35 kBTU per square foot per year, integrating a rooftop photovoltaic system pictured here, as well as incorporating daylighting, natural ventilation, and a next-generation energy-efficient data center are just a few of the energy features of the building. The Vancouver Convention Centre West, located in Vancouver, British Columbia, was designed by LMN Architects. The center features a 6-acre living roof that hosts over 400,000 indigenous plants. The interior is fitted with CO2, VOC, and humidity sensors. The heating and cooling are provided by seawater heat pumps powered by hydroelectricity. The Vancouver Convention Centre is the first convention center in the world to earn a platinum rating from LEED. They recycle an average of 180,000 kilograms of materials annually, which is nearly half of the total volume of waste generated. They also maintain an extensive environmental program and work closely with their clients to ensure sustainability in all events. The main focus for the Lot Clean Water Alliance in Olympia, Washington, was celebrating water as a precious resource. The firms that created this public laboratory were the Miller and the Hall Partnership. They explored this concept through the use of informed, interactive, and interpretive exhibits, a reclaimed water pond, and a selection of native plants and irrigation design. Most people wouldn't picture a sewage treatment plant as a green building, but the Lot Clean Water Center is different. It has been optimized to provide solar heat and introduce daylight to reduce lighting. Methane generated from the plant's waste treatment process is used to create heat and electricity. The heat is used directly in the building, thereby eliminating the need for a boiler. The new Lance Armstrong Foundation offices, located in Austin, Texas, were designed by Lake Flato Architects. The headquarters are established in a renovated 1950s warehouse that was transformed into a multifunctional office space. For the new design, 88% of the material from the original building was recycled and reused. No toxic chemicals were used in or around the building. The foundation also wanted to contribute to the revitalization of one of Austin's most diverse neighborhoods and continue to be a strong community partner. They wanted to create a space that not only accommodated their group, but could also be available to host meetings for other nonprofit organizations in the area. All of this has contributed to their gold certification from LEED. Located in Santa Monica, California, Step Up on Fifth, designed by Brooks and Scarpa, is a building loaded with energy-saving and environmentally sustainable devices. Material conservation and recycling were employed during construction by requiring all waste to be hauled to a transfer station for recycling. The overall project achieved more than a 75% recycling rate. A mixed-use project with 46 studio apartments that provide affordable housing and social services for the homeless and mentally disabled, Step Up shows that being green is about more than just the environment. The density of the project exceeds the average population density in Manhattan by more than 10%, and the building itself is nearly 50% more efficient than a comparable conventional structure. After a tornado devastated the small town of Greensburg in Kansas, the remaining residents took this as an opportunity to rebuild a better, more sustainable community. The Kiowa County School is their crown jewel. Designed by BNIM Architects, they decided not only to focus on design, but also incorporate environmental awareness programs into their curriculum. The design of the school optimizes daylighting and natural ventilation while reducing the urban heat island effect through open area allocation and diverse landscaping. A wind turbine outside the school provides a portion of this building's energy needs, with much of the rest coming from a wind farm located outside of the town. These factors have helped contribute to the Platinum LEED certification this building has achieved. Manitoba Hydro Place, located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, was designed by Koorbera, Payne, McKenna, Bloomberg Architects. It utilizes a formal integrated design process to achieve daunting goals of energy efficiency, healthy workplace environment, urban revitalization, and sustainability. It is the most energy-efficient large office tower in North America. Its energy efficiency is 66% over the standard, a model for bioclimatic design in extreme climate that fluctuates 70 degrees Celsius annually. The capital A form, as seen here, is site-specific to harness the maximum amount of passive solar and wind energies and to provide 100% fresh air 24/7. Placing a brownfield site, Kroon Hall was charged with being a net-zero energy building. Located at Yale University in New Haven, Connecticut, it was designed by Hopkins Architects of Great Britain and is Yale's most sustainable building to date. It was built to set a new standard for schools around the country. It uses 50% less energy than comparably sized modern buildings. Kroon Hall had to function not simply as a sustainable overlay that offset unsustainable practices in people's everyday lives, but as something that inspired and encouraged people to alter their lives and become more sustainable citizens. This is accomplished through a mix of active and passive design measures and visible, invisible, and interactive building features. King Abdullah University of Science Technology in Thuwal, Saudi Arabia is a new international graduate-level research university established to drive innovation in science technology and to support world-class research in areas such as energy and the environment. It was designed by HOK and is the world's largest LEED Platinum project. The architects used modern approaches to traditional Arabic design. The roof is covered by 130,000 square feet of solar, thermal, and PV arrays, as well as a tent-inspired roof system that spans across the building to block the sun on facades. The building also uses the Red Sea breezes to naturally ventilate the approximately 1 million square feet of space. In conclusion, the buildings shown in this presentation are the best examples of sustainable design to date. They are innovative in their use of materials, construction, public awareness, and overall design. They should be used as models for all new architecture and design from this point on, and the ideas shown can only be improved.